Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to study our textbook page number 33. The topic of our study is conjunctions. Conjunctions are those words which join the two sentences. Joining sentences with and, but, are, because. And, but and because is the conjunction words. Ramsha collected the books and Javed cleaned the board. Ramsha collected the books and is the conjunction. Javed cleaned the board. Exercise number 1. Join the sentences with and, but, or, because. For example, Rashid swept the floor. Rashid swept the floor, it was dirty. Rashid swept the floor, it was dirty. Rashid swept the floor because it was dirty. Ahmad finished his work dash he didn't put his book away. Ahmad finished his work, he did not put his books away. Ahmad finished his work, but he did not put his books away. We picked up the litter, we put it in the bin. We picked up the litter and we put it in the bin. Javed and Samad watched us. They did not help. Javed and Samad watched us, but they did not help. You should write the but and remove the full stop. Sabha was pleased. The pupils chose her to be a monitor. Sabha was pleased because the pupils chose her to be a monitor. The boys swept the classroom. They cleaned up the yard. The boys swept the classroom and they cleaned up the yard. Mr. Sami was disappointed. The classroom was untidy. Mr. Sami was disappointed because the classroom was untidy. Joining sentences with but or so. Now these are the two conjunctions but and so, and you should join these sentences by using this but or so. Now on page number 34 on textbook, exercise number 2, join the sentences. Match these sentences by using but or so. But are so. For example, my bedroom was untidy, so I tidied it up. My bedroom was very untidy, so match this with column C. I tidied it up. The floor was dirty, so I swept it up. The floor was dirty, so I swept it. Match with A. Number 3. My brother's room was untidy, but match with E. He did not clear it up. Sentence number 4. He looked for his books, but he could not find them. Match with F. Sentence number 4. Match with F. Sentence number 5. My mother was vexed with him. My mother was vexed with him, so he cleaned it up. Sentence number 5 match with B. Sentence number 6. His room is tidy now, but soon it will be untidy. Sentence number 6 match with E. Now on workbook page number 22, the topic is also same, conjunction. Use your own ideas to finish these sentences. Our teacher told us to clean the classroom because it was very untidy. Now you should have to write the ideas in these blanks of your own and complete the sentences. We picked up the paper and dash in the bin. Threw in the bin. I looked for my books but I dash. But I could not find them. Could not find them. I looked under the desk and I found my books. John found his pen, but it was broken. broken, broken. The teacher was pleased because we cleaned up class. Now, exercise number 2. Make up 4 sentences from the table. There's one column, second column, and third column. In the first column, half of the sentence is written. In the second column, but and so, the conjunction words are written. Match these columns by using but and so. I made my bed. I made my bed, but I did not tidy my room. Write the complete sentence in these blanks. The second one, there was a lot of litter, so we tidied the classroom. Our teacher was vexed, so we tidied the classroom. There was a lot of litter, so the pupils picked it up. I forgot my book, so I could not do my homework. The girl dropped some paper, but she did not pick it up. You should write these complete sentences in these blanks. Thank you.